Hey guys, welcome back to Kicking It with Kish. This can be a quick video. I was out here working a little bit, so I was like, let me just bring you guys along real quick for this video. So we have our harvest basket, and I also have some watermelon slings that I want to put my watermelons in. So I already started, but I want to go ahead and finish them up. Let me show you guys real quick. So I already started. Put in my watermelons and the slings, and I also wanted to make sure that I harvest this bad boy right here. I don't know how big it's supposed to be, but I think that thing is ready, y'all. I think this is ready. So let's go ahead and put it in the basket. It's still prickly, so I'm thinking it probably could have gone a little bit longer, but that's the first one of the soil long kind. So at least let's give the plant some time to get back its energy back into the plant and feed the rest of these cucumbers. Now let's get some of these. So those are the only 2 cucumbers that I see worth picking. Y'all, these squash bugs, stink bugs, and Japanese beetle have been decimating my bush bean plant that looks like it's a trailing or climbing bean. I did decide to come to buy me a shop vac because I was having a hard time today trying to get them off, and especially the ones that's called like the sharpshooters. Those are horrible. Those are absolutely horrible. And look at how they have my poor grapevine. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get grapes. Like, they are just killing me. So I really don't know what to do. Like, this grapevine is struggling. It should be raining. It should be raining today. I've been saying that for like the last 3 days. Hopefully it rains, and hopefully it rains. So what I'm gonna do is harvest some more things. Shishito peppers. I think I see some more. I'm also trying to make sure I pay attention to my tomato leaves because I know it's been hot and they have been curling a little bit. I just want to make sure that I'm not missing any hornworms. So we have some shishito peppers. I'm gonna take one of these. These are literally just temporary until I get those are literally just temporary until I get some clips. So I just wanted to make sure that they're at least in a bag and I didn't miss any as of right now. This is what we get from the one side, I do see some more jalapenos. And shoshitos on this side, but I think I'm gonna come back this evening and grab those because, like I said, the bees are kind of active right now. So my Mediterranean pot is also going well. Rosemary and oregano. It didn't even have any transplant shock. It's going really, really well. And my mullein has finally popped up. So let's see if there's anything in the elevated raised bed. And then also the cucumber on top of the plant support is doing really well. It's doing really good. Yesterday was like 93 degrees. But other than that, it's doing really good. I did turn it to give it a little bit of a break from the afternoon sun. And I am gonna cover these blackberries and my lime. And we're also gonna harvest some more tomatoes. And then also we're gonna cover the raspberry because I did see Japanese beetles over here as well. So that'll be the last thing. That'll basically be the last thing that I will do. And I'll do that off camera today. But I just wanted to show you guys or keep you guys up to date as to how the garden is going. This one is late in the game, but I have my first calendula coming. So it's growing like a tree because it's hot. But it's still going to give me some blooms, it look like. So I have my first calendula. And I'm also going to take all this stuff out of the bed. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in here next. But I know the flowers, of course, is going to stay. Well, I know I'm not going to take anything out. When the nasturtiums start to die, that's when I'm going to take everything else out. So I'm going to leave those for the bees. I'm going to definitely leave those for the bees. And my herb pot is going, my teapot, this is for my teas, is going really well. We also did have a cucumber in the one pot. I'm saying pot, the one grow bag over here on the table. And also what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start to close this down because since I'm seeing such a high activity of Japanese beetles, I don't want them to come in here and the white fly to decimate the whole covered raised bed. So I'm gonna close that. I'm gonna grab this. Do you guys see it? Hold on, do you see it? Look. So I'm gonna take that one off just so that other one in there, well, there's actually two in there, could have some more energy to get bigger. And then I'm also going to take off a few of these shishito peppers, and that's it. So just like I said, just wanted to give you guys a quick update as to what's going on in the garden. Thank you so much for kicking it with Kish. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in, and until the next video, bye.